Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So this is the video immediately after I prepared my pots and raised beds for fall planting. So when I pan the camera around, you're going to see how open everything is, but that's what we wanted. Here you're looking at my green beans. I'm sorry, my black-eyed peas. The remaining ones that are left have some flowers on them, so I should be able to get one or two more pickings, maybe three off of them. Here's one of the raised beds and some of the containers that are open. We have the last remaining squash that's growing. We'll see what it does. But today we're here at the Katrina cucumbers, and we are going to get our first harvest along with some green peppers and some okra from outside. So let's get started. Okay, hopefully you can see me. This is my first harvesting of the Katrina cucumbers, and it's my third planting of cucumbers for the season. And oh, here's one more. I thought I saw one. Black-eyed peas. Some flowers, but just a few ready. So we'll go outside and check the okra and the bell peppers. Okay, that's it. Oh, wait a minute. I see two staring me right in the face. Okay, that's it for now with the harvest. I have to get the okra as soon as they're anywhere from 3 to 5 inches. You wait, and the next day they're going to be tough, and you won't be able to eat them, but you'll have to use them for seed. These are the Gold Coast okra that I spoke of in the previous video. Um, I'm going to use these as a succession planting of okra. I also have some dwarf cowhorns that I started inside the house. Um, I've been told that you cannot transplant okra, or okra doesn't like to be transplanted. Well, I'm here to tell you that every plant that I've grown from okra has been started from seed inside the house and then transplanted rather, into their containers. So it can be done. Here's today's harvest. We got 5 cucumbers, we got some okra, we got 3 bell peppers, and we got some black-eyed peas. All in all, I'm grateful and thankful for the harvest. So, I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this quick harvest. We were blessed to have gotten some cucumbers, some okra, some black-eyed peas, and some bell pepper. Um, these are the only plants that I currently have that are producing fruit. In about 2 weeks, maybe 3, everything that I have growing inside the house under the grow lamp will be planted outside, and we'll be getting ready to take off again. If you got anything out of the video, give me a big thumbs up. If you're interested in any of the seeds or anything that I used in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront, or you can head over to my website. The links for both are in the description portion of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would like to take this time to have you consider doing so. I can grow a lot of fruit and vegetables by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do subscribe, please take a moment to hit the like button and the notification all. That way you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Don't forget to share the video. If you're interested in joining a small space gardening club, head over to Facebook and look for Small Space Gardening, where you can mingle with people like yourself that have an interest in gardening but are only limited by space. So until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, always remember to give thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.